सो हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। माय नेम इज़ जॉडी। जैसा कि आपको पता है, हम इस चैनल में होटल इंडस्ट्री से रिलेटेड बात करते हैं। सो आज का जो टॉपिक होने वाला है, वन ऑफ द इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक होने वाला है। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं लिकर्स के बारे में। सो व्हाट इज़ लिकर? लिकर होता क्या है, इसका प्रोसेस क्या है, कितने टाइप के लिकर्स होते हैं। सो लिकर ऑल्सो नोन एज अ हार्ड एल्कोहलिक बेवरेज और स्पिरिट्स, ओके, नॉट लाइक बियर, नॉट लाइक वाइन, क्योंकि वाइन और बियर बनाने का प्रोसेस जो है वो फर्मेंटेशन प्रोसेस होता है, फर्मेंटेड होते हैं। ये होता है डिस्टिलेशन प्रोसेस। सो एनी काइंड ऑफ बेवरेज कमिंग फ्रॉम लाइक अ डिस्टिलेशन प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड लिकर्स, ओके। सो लेट्स टेक अ क्लोजर लुक, ओके, कि लिकर्स का प्रोसेस कैसा होता है, बनने का प्रोसेस कैसा होता है। शॉर्ट में सारी चीज़ों के बारे में बात करेंगे, ओके। सो फर्स्ट इज विस्की, ओके। फर्स्ट लिकर इज विस्की made from fermented grain mass and aged in wooden barrel, okay. They made from like a different like kind of raw material, maybe malted barley, some whiskey made from rye, some whiskey made from wheat, okay. So every whiskey have like different methods. So first is whiskey, first variety is whiskey. There is a several type of whiskeys around the world, like Irish whiskey, Scotch, okay, Japanese whiskey and bourbon, okay. Every whiskey have a different processing method, okay, different method how they made the whiskey, okay. So there is so many type of whiskey, okay. This is all about whiskey. So for example, I have a like a Johnny Walker Red Label, okay. So this is come from Scotch. You can see the Scotch word, so is representing directly is come from Scotland. तो जहाँ पे भी आपको स्कॉच शब्द दिखाई देगा, दैट्स मीन इज डायरेक्टली शोइंग द रीजन, ओके, मीन्स लाइक कहाँ से आई हुई है विस्की, तो ये कम फ्रॉम स्कॉटलैंड, ओके. तो दिस इज अबाउट विस्की, ओके. द सेकेंड वेराइटी इज वोडका, ओके. वोडका नोन फॉर हिज क्लियर, ट्रांसपेरेंट एंड न्यूट्रल टेस्ट, ओके. वोडका मेड फ्रॉम like often made from potato, or maybe nowadays they're making by other kind of grain, maybe barley, maybe rye, maybe wheat. So yeah, so they distill maybe sometime many time for get the high purity. You can see the purity of the it's like a transparent water. So they distill like 4 times, maybe sometimes 3 times. So it depend how purity you want in your vodka, okay. So this is all about vodka, okay. Okay, the third variety is rum. Rum made from sugarcane product like molasses or maybe sugarcane juice. It can be range light rum to dark rum, or maybe a rich dark rum, So you can see this is light rum. It's still transparent, but yeah, you can see the yellowish color, okay. So if I want a dark rum, so I will age in a wooden barrel. Maybe it will be aged maybe minimum for 2 years or 3 years something. Then you will get the dark rum, aged rum. You can see like a Captain Morgan, that's a dark rum, and different kind of spice they use sometime in a rum. So this is all about rum, okay. Okay, the fourth variety of liquor is gin, okay. Gin is a distilled spirit that gets its primary flavor from juniper berry. So juniper berry is a main ingredients in any gin, along with the other botanical, maybe coriander, maybe citrus peel, or maybe any other kind of spices, okay. But juniper berry is a main ingredients, okay. So you can see this is also transparent because it's not aged, okay. Gin never aged, is directly like after the distillation process is directly bottle and come to market, okay. So this is all about gin. Variety is tequila, okay. Tequila made from blue agave, okay, is directly come from the region surrounding the city of Tequila in Mexico, okay. It comes in different varieties. Some tequila is unaged, like is like directly same like gin, they directly made the distillation process happen and directly bottle, okay. But some of the tequila is like the not unaged tequila called blanco, and then they will go to extra añejo. Extra añejo is something like minimum age for 3 years, okay. So at least 3 years, okay. So I have this one Reposado. This one also aged maybe for 6 months or 1 year, okay. But if you will go with añejo, extra añejo, it will be aged at least 3 years, okay. So this is all about tequila. Sixth variety is brandy. Brandy is made by distilling wine or other fermented fruit juice, okay. Especially the cognac is world famous. You will anywhere you will go in this world, the cognac, okay. So cognac is specific region in France, like known for their complex flavors and developed through the aging in oak cast barrel. Okay, so you can see the rich color and you will feel the complexity and the strong and the spice. With the full spice, it will touch your throat with the spice. Okay, so this is all about brandy. Is it, like you can see here cognac. So this cognac represent the region, okay, in France. Okay, this is all about cognac, brandy. So, okay guys, this is all about liquors. How many type of liquor I already explained to you already. Please press the thumbs up button and subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Bye bye.